Hey guys, Tim here. So in this video series, I want to show you how you can build your own custom applications. So if you want to create a simple application, or if you want to create a website, or if you want to create um, software as a service application, then I want to guide you through everything. I want to show you how you can use AI in order to help you create your application. And I want to show you how everything works. I want to show you step by step everything so that you can create your own custom applications. And in this series, I want to show you everything in detail, how this works, how you can create the application plan, how you can build the application with AI. And I want to show you now the plan. So I created a plan. I hope you can see. Let me make this a little bit bigger. So, and you can see this is what I want to create in this video series. So I want to create an AI personal wealth building application with OpenAI GPT-4 integration with OpenAI key. The user is able to input his own OpenAI API key on the settings page, test connection button, and save API key button. The custom application can help the user to manage funds, analyze funds and spendings, give individual strategies on how to grow the individual saving account by giving personalized investing strategies or wealth growing strategies, possible features. User can input current savings, user can input a willingness to take risk for investments, goal tracking, etc. So this is why we want to use ChatGPT to give us a little bit more tips, or maybe ChatGPT comes up with some more ideas for integration, for features for the application. I want to have a modern looking dashboard setting page, etc. So, and this plan I want to input into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT if this is a good plan for an application, if ChatGPT can give us an outline for this application, and also if ChatGPT has some more features which we can add to the application. And then first let's do this. Let me copy everything here and let me put this away. So, and then here we are in ChatGPT. Let me ask ChatGPT. I want to create a new desktop application. Here's the plan I made so far. What do you think? Paste plan and let's hit enter and let's see what ChatGPT tells us here. Your plan for the AI personal wealth application is well thought out and taps into a real market into real market needs. Personalized financial coaching and strategy made accessible via AI. Here's a breakdown of what's great and where you could enhance or clarify. So let's see here. What's great? Clear purpose and niche. Okay. User-owned AI key. Yeah, I think this is really important that maybe we want to publish the app so that you, or I don't know, someone else can download it and then input their own API key. Customizable advice. Okay, risk tolerance, goals, saving, modern UI. And here it's getting interesting suggestions and enhancements, feature clarifying expansions, spending patterns. Okay, this is good. AI budget planner, this is good. Milestone tracker, nice. Ask AI anything. Okay, privacy. Gamification. Okay, bonus AI features and ideas if you had invested simulator. Okay, so then, yeah, I like the plan that ChatGPT made, and also I like the new features, additional features. So then let's tell ChatGPT, oh, I really like your ideas and improvements. Please give me detailed application plan. plan. So then let's see. Okay, okay, React, Electron, it's good. Then for the dashboard, total savings, and you don't need to know everything about coding, about the different frameworks here. For example, Electron, Tauri, React.js. So this is why we are or we want to use and utilize AI, the AI coding platforms. Um, I know a little bit about coding, but I don't know everything. So, and this is why, yeah, we want to utilize AI, and we want to create our new application with the help of this platform here, Bolt.new. I think Bolt.new is really nice for building applications, and Bolt.new can give us, yeah, many benefits, but I want to show you later how this works. And yeah, so I think this is really nice. And when we let me go back, when we build the application with Bolt.new, so Bolt.new is not able to export the application. Bolt.new can build the application for us, but Bolt.new is not able to export the application. This is why we later have to use a different application or different program, Visual Studio Code, in order to yeah, to deploy our application, to make everything works on as a real standalone desktop application. But yeah, this is what I want to show you then later. First of all, yeah, we have to create the application in here, and then we export the application, and then later we import the application into Visual Studio Code, where we make this application production ready. But yeah, this is then in a later video. So this is of course the first part of our yeah, of our application, of our custom application building process. And then let's go back. So I think, yeah, the plan is really good. So let's copy everything here. First, um, let's go back, and then let's go back to ChatGPT, and let's give here another prompt. I want to create this custom application with an AI AI application builder. Please create a detailed prompt for this application, or for this AI application builder. Die Genau. Yeah, I think this is better when we create such a prompt here. but which is better? Create a desktop application, purpose, okay, AI integration settings. I think I like this a little bit better. So then I click here on prefer this fonts. Then great. Okay. Then let's click here on copy, and then we will go to our AI application builder. Yeah, and then we will paste this in here. And yeah, so then let's hit enter and let's see what Bolt comes up with here. And the link to this program is in the video description down below. So yeah, go to the video description, and there you will find the link. And now, yeah, let's see. So based on your requirements, personal wealth, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, now this program here will build our application, or the first version of this application. Of course, yeah, the first version of this application, this will have errors, and we have to yeah, find all the errors, make the correction, and see if all our features are working, if the AI application or integration is working. Also here you can see on the side what the application is doing, or what the AI builder is doing right now. So installing the dependencies, it created the package manager. Then the next step is installing Electron, then Tailwind, and so on, all the needed applications or integrations for our new custom application. Yeah. Here you can see all the files that are created right now, and also, yeah, needed for our new custom application. And yeah, I will split this whole process in different videos, in different parts, because yeah, I am doing this yeah, beside my my main job. So I want to make, yeah, a fun video out of this into my little break here. Now this is why we want to, or I want to split this into different separate yeah, videos. So let me know what you think about this in the comments down below. If you like this, if you want to see me explain different steps, different parts of the application building process, or yeah, maybe you have an idea or have additional ideas, additional features you want to see me implement in this application, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, then I will see what I can do. Yeah, this can take a while here. And of course, you can go to Bolt.new, link in the video description down below. There's the link, and then you can register a free account. And with the free account, I think you have per month such amount of free credits, and then you can build a small application. So I registered yeah, a pro account here, so I pay for Bolt.new, because yeah, this platform is really great for building applications really fast, or relatively fast, and then export this build application here and then import it into a Visual Studio Code, and there we can refine it and make it production ready. And this takes forever. So here you can see how much files the AI coder has created for us. You can see a ton of different files, and yeah. So imagine you have to program this yourself. So if you know how to program, and then yeah, you know how long this takes. And this is the great thing about the AI, how AI can help us with this. And yeah, now I think our first version is ready. I've created a comprehensive AI personal wealth building desktop application that combines financial tracking and AI, blah, blah, blah. And wow, look here. Wow, this looks really good. So, and now here you can see we have a problem. Let's click here. So let's append this. Holy shnikes, what's this? Something with the theme is wrong. So then we can simply click on attempt fix. And now the AI coder is trying to fix the issue here. But yeah, look at the dashboard. Looks really good for the first version, and this of course is is of course the first version. So we can improve this and look at the animation. Wow, really nice. And yeah, here are of course now demo datas implemented in the application. But yeah, now you can see the issue or the error is gone. Then let's explore the application. So wealth goals, here we can add our goals. Okay, emergency funds, down payment, retirement. Wow, really cool. Add goal, budgeting, housing. Yeah, this looks really good. AI assistant. Go to settings. Okay, we have to first provide our live API key. Okay, the buttons. Something is wrong with the buttons. Fix the buttons so you can see when I hover over this USD, so we can change the currency. Really good. Yeah, this looks really nice for the first version of our application. Yeah, and I think I will end the video here. I will save everything, and yeah, tomorrow I will continue, or yeah, I will record a new video where we will continue with the application. So then we will check everything. We will put in our real OpenAI API key. Then we will get rid of these demo data here, and yeah, we will see how this is working. So yeah, if you like the video, if you like the idea, yeah, press the thumbs up button, and also yeah, if you have any questions, if you want to see me integrate everything or anything here, then let me know in the comments down below. And also, yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel that you don't miss the next episode of our AI application building process here. And yeah, then yeah, thank you so far for watching the video, and yeah, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye guys.